If you run an agency and send monthly client reports, you're probably rebuilding the same presentation every month. The structure doesn't change, the branding doesn't change, only the numbers do. In this tutorial, you'll build a reporting system that keeps your template consistent while automatically updating its content using Google Sheets, Make, and Gamma. Before building anything, look at the final result. This is a complete monthly performance report deck generated automatically from structured spreadsheet data. Now look at the sheet. Each row contains performance metrics. When you update the sheet and run the scenario, Gamma duplicates your report template and regenerates its content. That's the system. Most agencies don't need a new deck structure every month. They need consistency, clarity, and scalability. This workflow keeps the structure fixed and updates only the content. It turns reporting into a repeatable process instead of manual slide work. Before building automation, let's create your reporting template inside Gamma. Design the exact structure you want to reuse every month, like title, executive summary, section slides, metrics layout, and recommendations. Format it exactly how you want it to look. You can even use a custom theme with your brand elements like logo, fonts, and colors, so everything stays on brand. Check out our dedicated tutorial to learn how. Once finalized, then click on the 3 dots, save your template, and copy your template ID. You'll use it inside Make later. If you want to learn more about designing structured templates inside Gamma, check out our other tutorial. Automation only works when your data is structured properly. In this sheet, we have a section column, a metric column, current month, previous month, change, and notes. Each row represents one data point. The section column determines grouping. The notes column gives Gamma context to generate cleaner summaries and insights. The cleaner your structure, the better the output. Now let's build the automation inside Make. Create a new scenario. Rename it something clear, like Monthly Report Template System. Click the plus icon and add your first module. Add a Google Sheets module. Select Search Rows. Connect your spreadsheet and choose the correct sheet tab. For this version, leave filters empty so all rows are pulled. Set the limit to around 100 to ensure all rows are retrieved. Click Run once. You should see one bundle per row. That confirms your data is coming in correctly. Next, add a second module. Click the plus icon and choose Tools, then select Text Aggregator. This step is critical. Google Sheets outputs one bundle per row. Gamma expects one structured block. The text aggregator combines all rows into one formatted input. Set the source module to Google Sheets. Use this template and assign the corresponding columns. Add a blank line between each record. Click Run once again. Open the text output. It should be clean and structured. This will be injected into your Gamma prompt. Add the final module by searching for Gamma. Make will prompt you for an API key, which you can generate from your Gamma account by navigating to Settings and selecting API keys. Name the key Make. After adding this module, select Create from Template to reuse the presentation structure we created earlier. Paste your template ID into the Template Gamma ID field. Now configure the prompt. Add this. Map the text output from the text aggregator into the final section of the prompt. You can also choose your custom theme to maintain branding. Your final workflow now looks like this. Click Run once. Make pulls the spreadsheet rows, combines some into structured content, and sends some to Gamma. Gamma duplicates the template and regenerates its content. Now, if you open the newly created Gamma file, you'll notice the structure is unchanged, the branding is consistent, and only the content updates. Each time this runs, a new report file is created from the same standardized structure. That's your reporting system. Same structure, updated numbers, regenerated insights, consistent output. Instead of rebuilding decks every month, you update the spreadsheet and let the system handle formatting and presentation. Start for free at gamma.app and get your ideas into the universe.